If you are struggling and watching countless videos on how to send Robux to your friends without a group and you stumbled across my video, then great, because this is the only video you will ever need. And I'm not going to waste your time, there are timestamps down below to skip forwards or backwards. Now let us start. First thing you want to do is go to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. And also keep in mind, whichever account you are signed into, the account will get the Robux. So for example, I'm signed in right here, so I'm going to create something that will get me Robux. The account will get the Robux, so if you want to give Robux to someone else, that person has to see the tutorial, or you'll need their account password and details to sign into it, so they can get the Robux if you want to give it. Just wanted to clear that up. In this example again, I will be getting the Robux from another user. So watch the full guide on how you can do this. So next up, you want to go up here to the top menu and click on Create. And it should be taking you here in the Creations tab right here. And if it doesn't look like this, and it sees something like this on the screen right now, just click on Manage My Experiences, and from there on go to the left and click on Creations, and you should be already in the Creations tab. Once you're here, you want to find your place. As you can see, I have multiple places right here, and you want to find your original one that is automatically created. Any account you create on Roblox will automatically create a place for you. It should just be called username and place. As you can see, I have number 1, number 2, and there's just my username and place. You should have something like this, then click on that. And then on the left side, you'll see a bunch of buttons, and go to the Contents tab, and then click on Associated Items. Once you click on that, click on Passes. You'll be creating a pass that you will send to other people so they can give you Robux. Or your friends need to see this video and create the pass so they can give you the pass in order for you to buy it. So once you're here, click on Create a Pass, and then it'll look something like this. And then what you want to do is just upload an image. You can upload whatever image you like, it does not matter. Just upload an image. Like me, I just uploaded this random blue background. And again, it doesn't matter, and the name also doesn't matter. I'm just going to name this donation, my donation. Description also doesn't matter. I'm going to put the same thing up there. I don't care about spelling. And then what you want to click on is Create Pass. As you can see, the pass was created successfully, and it will be off sale by default. So what you want to do is click on that, click on the pass you named, go to the left side that says Sales, click on that. Then click on Item for Sale, and then put any price you like. For me, I'm gonna just put 10 Robux, so the person will give me 10 Robux. Oh, and also, there's also a fee of 30% Robux. Roblox will take 30% of whatever the original price is. So Robux, if I put 10 Robux, Roblox will take 30% of 10, which is 3. They'll take 3 Robux, and I'll actually get 7 Robux. Just keep that in mind if you wanna put this on sale. So if you want 50 Robux, you'll actually get 35. If you want 90 Robux, you'll actually get 63. So just keep this in mind if you want the Robux or your friend wants the Robux. Anyways, I want 10 Robux, I'll get 7, doesn't really matter. Click on Save Changes over here, and then as you can see, pass was updated successfully. Go back here on the top left to back to Associated Items, go back to Passes. And then as you can see, my donation is set for 10 Robux. So now what you want to do is click on the 3 dots up here on the top right of the profile. Then click on Copy URL. You will then send this URL to your friends. They will then log into their roblox.com on the computer, and then they'll buy it from the link. So I'm going to switch over to an alt account and I'll show you how this works. But before I show you, I just want to say that I have 84 Robux currently. As I refresh, I still have my 84 Robux, so I can show you that this works legit. So I'm going to switch over to the alt account and I'll show you what to do. As you guys can see, I am on a alt account that has 1072 Robux. So once your friend or you has the link, make sure you're signed into the account, into your account, or your friends are signed into their account. Paste the link, press enter, and then as you can see, my donation is right here, the thing I just said. It was made today, as you can see, and I set it for 10 Robux from a different username. As you can see, I'm on 2 different accounts. Then you want to click on buy, and remember, if this is your friend's pass, they will get the Robux. Or if your friend is doing this, they will have to click on buy so you can get the Robux. Buy now. So as you can see, the purchase was complete. I had 1,072 Robux, now I have 1,062. And now I have the pass in this alt account, and now my original account will get the 7 Robux. So I'll sign out and go back to my old account now to show you. So I'm back into my account right here, as you can see, Electronic Gamer. I still have the 84 Robux, but don't worry, click on that and then click on your Robux. If you have like 100 Robux, click on 100 Robux. Don't click on buy Robux, click on this. It'll take you to the transactions page. And as you can see, pending Robux down here, 7. So the alt account I did paid the 10 Robux, Roblox took 30%, and the 7 Robux is pending, but it will take like a few days, like a day or two, just for it to go into your account. So after a few days, this 7 will go into 84 and I'll get 91 Robux. So yeah, that's basically how you can give Robux to your friends, or your friends can give you Robux. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips like this. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.